In this video, we go through the Application Status tab inside a mortgage file, a simple but powerful tab that gives you a direct window into your client's portal experience. You'll learn how to move a file to different pipeline stages without leaving the file itself, and how to set up estimated timelines for each stage so clients always know what to expect. You'll also learn how to add client-facing descriptions and videos to each stage so they have a clear explanation of what's happening at every step of the process. We'll also cover the best practices for using these tools to reduce check-ins, calls, and give your clients a smoother, more informed experience for the application to close. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video and check it out. Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about the Application Status tab, how to set estimated timelines for your clients, and then also how to add descriptions and video to those different stages, so that way when they're in their client portal, they can see where they're at, but also know what that entails. So to show you what the Application Status tab looks like, you go into a mortgage file, and the second tab down says Application Status. This is essentially your pipeline. So application received, document request sent, these are all the stages that I currently have in my pipeline. And if you haven't adjusted your pipeline already, you can learn how to do that in a separate video. You would go to settings, pipeline, and then add stages there. Now this tab is going to allow you to change the pipeline stage without actually having to go back to the pipeline and then drag the file over. You can simply just change it within the file as well, selecting the stage that you want to move it to, and then clicking update stage. Now, the main reason for this page is simply just to mirror what the clients have on their portal side. So if we go open the client portal here, and I click on application status, the client can see exactly where they're at in the process. Now, one really cool thing is if they actually click on the stage itself, there's the ability to add a description, a timeline, and also a video. So that's what we're going to do in this video. So we're going to go back to our side. Now to add in the different timelines, you're going to scroll to the bottom and say you know that this file is going to be, say, 5 days once it's submitted to lender before you're probably going to get a response. You would click edit, and then you could add in your estimated date range, let's say 5 days. And then now inside the client portal, when next time they hop back on, in that submitted to lender section, it will show the timeline of 5 days, estimated timeline of 5 days right there. Now, if you want to add a larger description and even a video, the way that we're going to do that is we're going to go to our settings, we're going to go to pipelines, and then on the actual stage itself, we will add a video and a description. You click edit, and you can see here client-facing description and then educational video. So let's go test description. And then for the video, there we go, save. Now hopping back over to that client portal, application status, we go down to that submitted to lender. The video is right there and our description is right there. Obviously you can put as big of a description as you want, but it's just a nice way to always show your clients what's going to happen at each individual stage. You can also give them timelines so they know what to expect. And this is something that you can let them know when you're talking to them. You can say, hey, when you're in your portal, if you ever want to kind of know what the estimated timeline is going to be, just click on the stage that you're at. There should be a video, should be a description. Make sure obviously don't say that unless you have them set. But great way to add in those milestone emails. So not only do you have the stage update videos, you'll have those same videos embedded in each stage. That way they can always refer back to them. So yeah, other than that, that is the application status tab of a mortgage file. It's pretty straightforward, and there's some good benefits of being able to add those videos in and timelines in just to improve your client experience. So be sure to check out the next tutorials. We're going to go through every single tab in the mortgage file so you know exactly how to use it and all the best practices.